closer, but you can see some little scratches. But we're just gonna ignore that stuff. And first I'm gonna get my brown out. You can see it's brown colored pencil. And I'm gonna do the cone. Most of you know how to draw ice cream. And I do too. So, but if people out there who don't know how, and they want to know how, you just make a little triangle shape like that, and then just do lots of lines like that. Then you get your brown again. Then half that. Then see, I'm making these little checkers things. I'm making these little checkers things, and it's easy to do that. Just you know. So now you just put a line, and now I made my cone, but I need to fill it in. I just fill it in lightly. You can fill it in. See? Half filled in. But it's really lightly so you can see it. And still clean. And when I'm done with that, which I'm not done yet, you can get any color you want and do the top. But I'll do two stripes. Pink and blue. And first, put out my blue. And my blue. Let's see. See everybody? I got my blue up. And now, you can see it's all filled in. Now you can see that's all filled in. So, now, I'm going to do this like that. Sometimes I like to do that. I'm doing, it's okay, like dripping on the cone. And now, obviously, I'm going to fill this in. See? Half filled in. See? Almost filled in. Now. See? Okay. Now, it's, and now I'm going to do some pink. Let me find the right one. Okay, let's just do this one. And I'll just go there. I could also make it higher like that. So I just color it in. Color it in. Color it in. Color it in. It might look like a little bit of a scribble, but that's okay. And now I can get my favorite color because it's has the silliest name. You see it? If you can, give a thumbs up. It says La La Lavender. It's my favorite, like my favorite name for lavender. And now I just go like that. I can't see it that well, but there's my other drawing that I did for part 2. And I just color it in, you can see. Color it in a little. Color it in. Same color in. And I'm going to color it in softly if you're trying to copy this. So.